I hope you are all able to see the screen. Are you guys able to see the screen? Then let me know.
Screen is not visible.
Okay. I hope it's now visible. Alright, so let's get started. So in this session, we will be creating a new applet project.
Screen is not visible.
Please try rejoining because I have shared the screen. If you are not able to see the screen, then you can rejoin because I have shared.
Can you share again?
Okay. I hope now you are able to.
Now visible.
Okay. So today we are going to create a new application which is going to be exercising app or yoga app, whatever way we say. So in this pandemic, we all have suffered a lot. So in order so that we can be relaxed, we can feel much better, we all do the exercises, yoga and all that stuff so that we feel a little relaxed and we are able to keep our body also. So this purpose of the application is going to same about the same. Let's first do the designing section and then we will be proceeding ahead with the code section. So first of all, you need to add a splash screen. First of all, you can change the theme of your application to make it even more attractive. And please let me know if my voice is low. So you can change the theme and you have to add a label. Change its size and its dimension according to your purpose. And here you can write yoga app. Actually, this application is going to be very useful because nowadays people actually want such applications that they are able to exercise because some people are not able to afford the fees of the yoga sessions or sometimes it is very, very expensive. So that is why people expect for this kind of application so that they are actually able to just exercise according to this application. And this is actually what we are expecting for the viewers also. So you can increase the font size to 20 or 25. And then here also you can add an image from Google. Just search in Google and search for images for yoga, some postures and all that stuff. You can just search it and insert it over here. Now you need to add a new screen and here you need to list all the asanas or the asanas. And if you're not really aware of all the asanas or the exercises, then of course Google is really a very good way where you can just search for these things. So in Google, you just search for yoga exercises, and here for you can list start today yoga session. In this button, you will write down start today's yoga session. So as soon as the user of this application clicks on this button, then they get redirected to the yoga asana. So you can increase the font size to 20. Now you need to add a new screen. Click on new screen. And now here you need to add some of the yoga steps. So you all can go to a website. I will just send it to
Second
you.
screen.
Hello, yeah.
Ma'am, second screen.
In the second screen, we have just added a button consisting of the term that start today's yoga session. So everyone, you just need to go to screen number 3, and here you need to add some of the things. So here, see, I found a website where all the yoga, all the yoga steps are there. You can just take reference from it. So just right click on the image and click on copy. Okay, so wait a second. Here it is not actually, it is some kind of. So never mind, we will be using a different website, and you can choose any one. So everyone, you all can look here. So here are the yoga names. So first of all, there is mountain pose. Okay, so here you can just copy this name, mountain pose, and here you can just write down, insert a label. Okay, so here you can write down, just paste it, and in bracket just write down the name which was given there, Sanskrit name, Sadat. So now you just take a snip of the image. You all can just take a snip of the image and write down this. You just have to take a snip.
Can you give image address?
Sorry, what are you saying? So you all can take a snip by pressing on the keys, which is Alt Shift plus S. So download the image by taking a screenshot of it and save it. And I'm sending you the link of this website. So everyone can check out the link. Okay, now you need to go back to your apply project link screen, and there you just need to insert image component. And here you need to just increase its dimension and click on choose, upload the file, and click on choose. Increase its dimensions now again. And then click on next button. I mean insert this button. And then get next. And also, of course, we need to add some of the things, basic things which the person should know who is following the exercise. After nothing is given in, you can just write down there. You have to do it for 2 to 3 minutes. And the next is share code, which is Uska Sana. So again, you need to take a screenshot of it. And see here, they're doing it things. First of all, they are standing this, and then they are bent. So you need to take 2 screenshots of the same. So take the screenshot and save it. Now go to this screen and you need to duplicate the screen you guys have any doubt while doing so, then of course you can unmute yourself and tell it any specific pointer. So now change the name to what it was shown. So Mahesh is asking that how to download this image. I've told you that you have to take a screenshot because the image will not get downloaded by just right clicking on that image. So you need to take a screenshot by pressing on the key Alt plus Shift plus S. Then a snip will be taken.
I have one doubt.
Yes,
Why had you taken two images? You can take only one GIF now.
sorry. What?
You had take two images of this asan. You instead of this, you can take one GIF that is given there.
Yeah, but you can't download that GIF.
Okay, now I understand.
Okay. Also, what you can do is, if you're not able to take the screenshot, then you can search for this post in the internet. Then, of course, you will get the required results and you will get the GIFs also, and also you will get the images if you are not able to take the screenshot. That is one thing you can do. So, just write down here share post, which is Uskasana. You can just copy the name, paste it, and change the image by clicking on choose, uploading the file.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat that? How to take screenshot keys?
Yes. To take a screenshot, you need to click on Alt Shift plus S. I'm sorry, the key is Window plus Shift plus S. Window plus Shift plus S. Then a snip will be taken. I hope you got it. And we need to save one more image, so just duplicate it one more time. And you need to take one more step when she bends. So you need to upload one more file. And increase the dimension. And here you can add one more label saying that do this simultaneously. Duplicate this label and write down that's how you need to do. Now, there are so many more poses. Of course, if I will do all these things in this session only, then it's going to be extended to a lot. So your today's task will be that you need to add all those poses or some of the main poses, and you need to do it. You need to add more of the poses. And at the time when all your poses are done, then you need to add one more screen with the label which is your today's exercise, your today's yoga session is done. Your today's yoga session has been completed successfully. Congratulations. And also you can write down that come tomorrow and or you can write down do these exercises at the same timing tomorrow. Okay, and you can increase the font size to 20 or 80. Done. So the only two exercises are not enough. You need to add more. So that's your today's task, that you need to add all the exercises or some of the main. Okay. And at the last thing, when all the exercises are done, you have added all, then just add this label. That your today's yoga session has been completed successfully. Congratulations. Do the exercise at the same time tomorrow. Done. And let's now move towards code section. So go to screen number 1 and just add the code for last week. So go to control section, set timeout. So after 1 second, it's going to automatically set screen number 2. Go to screen number 2. On event when this button number 1 is clicked. Then set screen number 3. Okay. And go to screen number 3. When this button number 2 is clicked, then screen number 4. And screen number 4, when that button which is screen button number 3 is clicked, then set screen number 5. Okay, so with this, our application is successfully made, and I hope you all got your today's work, that today you need to actually complete this complete application. You need to complete it, and you need to add some more yoga poses. And also let me give you one tip in which, I mean, by which you can improve this application and improve its overall structure, that in screen number one, when the splash screen gets loaded, then in screen number two, instead of start today's yoga session, you can add some of the buttons. Suppose if you are a diabetic patient, then click this button, and then they will show you some exercises which are specifically meant for diabetic patients. And then you can add one more button that if you want to if you want to lose your weight, then click this button. And add one more button if you want to become slim, then click this button. So like this, there will be so many options, and then your app overall functionality would be increased. So these are some of the tips which you can apply in your application. And today's work will be this only, that you need to add these buttons, and tomorrow in Google, today in Google, just search exercises, yoga exercises specially meant for diabetic patients, and then you can add over here. So of course that they will actually have so many skills, but that won't matter because then you have to be really so great. And also what you can do is, if you are little advanced in Phototobaji, then you can actually change these images as soon as next button is clicked. But still, you can add mostly that won't really matter. All right, everyone. I hope you all got today's work. And in tomorrow's session, you all will show your work in the session itself, and I will upload all your projects in YouTube. Okay, guys. So that's all. Let's end the session. Thank you. So today's project link you will get in the description. Thank you.